Alright guys, quick little follow-up video on the Nissan Sentra that we're doing the head gasket job on for free, or well, not for free. I told her I suggested give me a case of beer for doing the work. So it's going to cost her, I don't know, $14 to get her engine rebuilt. It's pretty much done. The only thing that's not done, there's no coolant in it because two of the coolant hoses, two little small ones that go from the side of the head up into the intake, the oil got to them. I mean, the oil was everywhere in this thing, but the oil's got to them so bad with they've swollen way up, and you just can't use them. I mean, I think they just balloon and burst on her, and it's just not worth it. I think they'll be here tomorrow, maybe Tuesday. But I only picked that car up Thursday. I went and got it for her because she didn't have money for a tow truck, or or pay a tow driver to bring it down here or whatever. So I hooked up the hauler, went and got it for her. So picked it up Thursday night. Today's Sunday, Super Bowl Sunday. So really, not too bad. I'll give you guys a quick look at it. It's done. It's done. The hardest thing was the timing cover on the side of the engine. It was very difficult. I mentioned in that other video, just due to space, right? So I'll show you guys. I mean, this is what you're working with here. Hopefully I can get in there and show you. So that's how much room you have when it's all put back together. Maybe an inch, maybe not even an inch there. So, but yeah, it's real difficult to kind of, get it in there without knocking silicone off. I actually had it jacked way up as high as I could, and then kind of snuck it in, turned it, dropped it, pushed it on. Seemed to work. We did put a new air intake on for her. The other one was just split and no good. Here's the two coolant hoses I was telling you about. I don't know if that'll come through in the video. Those things are swole up, and they're super soft, like really spongy. Just they do still flow coolant, but yeah, I flushed it this morning and I saw it was coming out of here, but still they're so swollen you dare not reuse them. And then there's the back one back in here, this guy. So that's the only reason this car is not can't be picked up. And yeah, it's pretty rough. It's that's the only car she has, and like I said, she's got no money or anything, so we're just kind of doing a solid for her. It's hit everywhere. But yeah, the airbag light's on too, and it's flashing, so I hooked my scanner up to it. It needs a clock spring. That's the code it's throwing, and I don't doubt it. I mean, this thing is rough. We're going to start it for you, even though there's no coolant in it. I'll let you guys hear what it sounds like. It is running very well. We're not going to let it run for more than a few seconds, but oh, the power! So when I had that head off, I did put valve stem oil seals in it as well. And when I was taking the valves out, they were all sticky, and it wasn't a good situation. So I ended up lapping in all the valves, regrinding everything. I mean, just stuff that you just had to be done. It was so bad. But she should get another 100, at least another 100 out of it. And knowing this lady, she probably will. But yeah, that's pretty much it. Not a real easy car to work on. That BMW is way easier. And again, just due to space. So, all right, guys, that's it.